Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse millionaires. If you want to enter into the world of NFTs, Web 3.0, or you want to buy Metaverse crypto coins, play to earn crypto games, and things like that, then definitely at one point or another you need Metamask. Metamask is a reliable wallet and so much popular as well. Most of you have already installed MetaMask extension at your laptops or desktop computers, but do you know you can also get MetaMask at your Android phones? Here's how you can do this. First of all, go to Play Store and search MetaMask. Install the right app, this one. I have already installed, that's why it's showing me update. When you will install, then open MetaMask. Okay, get started. And if you have already MetaMask installed on your desktop or laptop, then you have to click on import using seed phrase and put your seed phrase. Otherwise, you click create new wallet. Set your new password, confirm password, and then click on terms and conditions. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. You have to save your password, and more importantly, you have to save and secure your seed 12 words seed phrase. Now it's asking for that seed phrase. Click on start, and then MetaMask will automatically show you your seed phrase. You have it's showing the warning that you will forget that seed phrase. It will not recover that seed phrase for you. So you have to secure, in fact you have to double triple secure your seed phrase. Never ever tell anybody that seed phrase. Confirm your password, and then write down your seed phrase. It will show you right on a notebook. Remember this or write somewhere. Write at 2 or 3 different places. This is extremely important to save your seed phrase. Click continue, click complete backup, and click done. Click I agree, and now you are done. It's time to set your MetaMask by adding required networks. I'm setting my MetaMask on my phone. First of all, now you can see I am clicking on settings, then networks, then add networks. Now I'm going to add Matic network, Polygon network. I have already added Smart Chain. I will tell you how. Now RPC URL. From my own video, I'll be taking copy and pasting that URL. I will put all these parameters in the video description. RPC URL, paste, chain ID, Polygon. Let me check. Chain ID 137, currency symbol Matic. I'm going to block explorer URL. Copy. First of all, chain ID 137, symbol Matic. Block explorer URL, and then add. It's added. Now I have added both networks, Smart Chain network and Matic network. You can also add Smart Chain network by copying and pasting the values from the description. For adding Smart Chain, you can go to settings, networks, add network, then you can add Smart Chain, right? Now it's set on my phone. I'm so happy that MetaMask is set on my phone.